everybody. What's up, Delisha?
Hi Sarosh, how are you?
Why are we so pumped up today? Kyun?
I don't know. Maybe because the sauce today is very spicy.
Or, or maybe because we've recorded this like twice.
Three times. Dude, I
Oh
can't
no.
deal with this.
Oh no.
Anyways, what's the sauce for today, Sarosh?
Okay, the sauce for today is very informative sauce today, and basically it's for all those people out there who are applying for an art school, specifically Indus Valley School of Arts, Karachi.
IVS. Whoop, whoop,
Yay! And
whoop.
what they should expect before like applying for in IVS.
Yes. Okay. Let me start by asking the question just to like give a little background on our own perspectives. So, Rosh, were you always like an art person, or and did you like always plan on like going to an art school?
Nope. Do you know?
No.
Yeah, I was a med student.
Wait, you were a med student?
Yep, all this time. And
Oh my
surprisingly,
God.
very fun fact, I got into
Uh-huh.
a med school.
Oh, you
Or
got into like med school and you like went there?
yeah, I went there and then I quit. और उसके बाद मैं art school में आया.
Obviously. Wait, how long did you like go there for before you quit?
I mean, it was like the first month or something, and properly classes were
Oh.
शुरू नहीं हुई थी. So basically, the thing was that I saw the books, I saw the curriculum, I talked to the people around, and I like asked them their struggles. And the
Uh-huh.
question that popped up was, "Okay, do I want to do this for the rest of my life?"
Yeah.
Yeah, and the
And the
answer
answer
was
was
Buddha. Buddha came up to me and he was like, "No, fuck no, beta. Don't do that. Don't do that." So,
God.
were you always an arts oriented student?
Oh yeah, definitely. I was always the art person in the family. Like I would always like in like math class, I'd be like drawing doodles in class and just like, but it's always like the creative one. Like actually, in my last year of high school, like you can choose if you want to pick art, right? Like I was only like one of two people in like in the whole art ki class. So I feel like I was definitely I've always wanted to go to an art school, and like I've always actually really been into design as well.
Adding to your point, one of the two students wali baat, I think art
Mm-hmm.
is very neglected, specifically in Pakistan.
Oh yes, definitely.
Because
It's very yeah.
लोग जो है ना इसको एक ऐसी डिग्री समझते हैं, एक ऐसा काम समझते हैं. इट्स लाइक वेरी इजी टू डू. हर कोई आपको बोलेगा कि
Yeah.
आपने बहुत बड़ी पेंटिंग बनाई है, एंड यू लाइक गिव इट अ वेरी रीजनेबल प्राइस टैग, एंड दे विल बी लाइक
Uh-huh.
इसमें क्या खास है.
इसमें क्या खास बात है?
इतना तो ये तो
Yeah.
मैं भी कर लूंगा.
Yeah, the excuse that they give is like कि, अरे बेटा आर्ट्स तो कोई भी कर लेता है. मैंने कहा भाई कोई भी कुछ भी कर लेता है. मैं बिजनेस भी कर सकती हूँ, मैं मैथ भी कर सकती हूँ.
Yeah,
But the question is, am I gonna be good at it? That's
yeah.
the whole thing. क्योंकि आर्ट्स तो आप भी कर सकते हैं, मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. But the thing is, it's not just about being good. It's about what you like. And I feel like if people just look at it कि हाँ आर्ट क्या है? पेंटिंग और ड्राइंग. हाँ हम भी तो कर सकते हैं. बीए तो वो लड़कियां करती हैं जिनको वो शादी करनी होती है. लाइक मुझे लिटरली लोग ने बोला है कि अरे बेटा बीए जो होते हैं जो लड़कियों को बस एक स्टैंडर्ड एजुकेशन चाहिए होती है ना वो बीए करती है. एंड
Yeah.
दैट्स जस्ट सो ऑफेंसिव एंड सेक्सिस्ट. लाइक इतना ये मुझे मिला है सुनने के लिए एंड इट वेरी ट्रिगर्स मी.
But the thing is कि what people don't realize is कि एक आर्ट्स डिग्री आपको कितना क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम देती है. I mean, you
या
can explore yourself so much in so many ways. You can go about, यानी आप बाकी डिग्रीज में भी आपके पास ये अपॉर्चुनिटी एबिलिटी होती है टू एक्सप्लोर योरसेल्फ, बट आई फील लाइक आर्ट्स में आपको ये ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है कि you can go in
या
any direction you want.
Yeah,
You
and the
just need to
thing
know
is,
basics.
yeah, exactly. And the thing that really attracts me towards art is how subjective it is. You don't, the thing is कि business or like दूसरे, I'm not saying कि वहाँ पे उनको that's also like a different type of art if you look at it. क्योंकि strategies होती हैं, अलग-अलग चीजें होती हैं. But the thing with art is, it's just like it's very subjective, it's very personal, and you can do whatever the hell you want to do, and it can, and like जो लोग अलग अलग देखते हैं ना they can have different perspectives on it. Some might think a painting is happy, some might think it's sad. It's just
Yeah,
there's so many different views and ideas and concepts, and people are so incredibly smart that it just makes the whole field very interesting.
I agree to that. Okay, I also wanted to let you guys know that the admission last date for application and submission की जो deadline है is 31st July, and you
Right,
have to
yes.
submit before 31st July. The thing is कि थोड़ा सा जो है ना methodology different हो गई है for just
Mm-hmm.
because of COVID, and it's like more online oriented. So basically you submit your forms and जितने जो degrees वगैरह whatever you have
Like
qualification.
basically, you there's like a portal, right? On the as soon as you enter the website, there's like a link that comes for people if you want to apply. You apply. You can click on the link. There's a whole portal. You fill in your information and everything. You have to write an essay. सब कुछ करके आप जो भी आप documents upload करते हैं ना वो आप print करके आपको envelope में you have to drop it off at the campus, and then from there you have to deposit like a administration like fee होती है 6,000 की to any HBL bank, and then the whole portfolio thing comes, which I'm not sure what it really is,
I
but
do know
it's
it.
basically
I do know it.
you do know.
Basically,
अच्छा हाँ
हाँ.
बोलो.
Portfolio का ये scene है कि you'll be asked to join like Google Classroom or meet through that specific link that's given to you. और उसमें ये होगा कि it might be divided into 3 or 4 segments. So basically, you'll be asked to do a certain task, a certain drawing, a certain answer to question or whatever it is in a given time. और वो आपको जो है ना सबमिट करवाना होगा ऑनलाइन लाइक दे आस्क यू टू ड्रॉ समथिंग और टाइम दे देंगे आई डोंट नो मे बी 4 hours 5 hours.
Oh, so it's like kind of like an online aptitude test, you could
या
say.
सो इट्स
Kind
चेंज्ड
of.
बिट तो
Okay.
और उसके बाद जो है ना whatever it is और फिर उसके बाद
क्या होता है portfolio के बाद? Yeah, बस portfolio देखिए, I think that you have to wait. Basically, you'll when you're given your portfolio, you'll get like a list. I think website पे डालते हैं, you get an email के list आ गई है for all the people who have been approved for the like by the portfolio. After you're approved for by your portfolio, you basically get an interview की date. And when I feel like interviews obviously online ही होंगे, like Google Meet या Zoom के through, and like you'll get a date and they'll send you a link and you click
आई
on it
थिंक
and basically the
आई
interview.
थिंक अभी तक डिसाइड नहीं हुआ मे बी इंटरव्यू इन पर्सन हो सकते हैं.
I feel like, but the thing is, interview is like, yeah, to online or yeah, in person or it's just like you're gonna get approved by the interview, and that's like the final thing, which like it's like
It's the
fifty
final
percent of
boss.
like exactly, it's the 50% of like if you will get in or not. So you really have to express yourself and be yourself and like show them why IVS would want you
Yeah,
to be
but
there, and then when you
Delisha,
get in, you get in. Yeah.
could you like give some solid advice to people who will show up for interview?
Okay, so from experience, and by experience I mean a lot of experience, I would say for your interview, the best advice they can give is to just be calm and to think about your answers. Because I know people, me, who get when they get really nervous, they just start blabbering and like just saying stupid stuff, and like you're wasting
What did you
precious
do?
time and information. Yeah, I really don't want to talk about it. It's so bad. The thing is that the first question they ask you, and I can bet you $500 million that they're gonna like ask you this question. The first question they're gonna ask you is, "Tell me about yourself." Now, it's such a simple question, but you don't know what to say. It's just like, should I tell you what my name is? Should I tell you what my favorite color is? Should I talk about my career? Should I talk about my personal life? It's just इतना vague सवाल है that you don't know what to answer. So I feel like that first question really stumps you. So always be prepared to answer that question in like a few lines. Okay. उसके बाद just like think. Okay, so obviously they ask you questions based on your degree. Like I am. So like I was like
ऐसे now you start talking about your friends, high school friends, and you're like, हाँ वो Hana थी ना, she did that to me in high school,
what if they
and I will
ask you a
never
question of
forgive her
like,
for
what was the
that.
problem you faced in your life and how did you overcome it? Well, you know what happened the other day? Like, Sonam's boyfriend, like, he made a move on me. Like, don't do that, like, obviously. But the thing is, I just feel like after the whole tell me about yourself, thing, they'll ask you questions based on your, like, degree, and also like general. Like they'll ask you very simple questions. Like if you're not into architecture, they'll be like, "What's your favorite building? Who's your favorite architect?" Very very simple question. But the thing is that you would think, oh, itne aasan sawal hai, it's okay. But the thing is that you have to be very smart with your answers. You have to be very concise. The thing is that if they ask you a question and you don't know what to say, don't just start speaking and like be like threatened by the awkward tension. Think about your answer because they're not going to run away. तुम नहीं जाओगे वो भी कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. Think about your answers even if it takes like 10 seconds, 20 seconds. It's better to say something like थोड़ा देर से and say it good rather than just start blabbering and like make them think you're like not good under pressure. You know?
Yeah,
So
I
that's like
agree
the
with that.
biggest thing, just to be calm and to think and to be concise. What about you?
My interview experience was completely different.
Okay.
I think it was शायद मेरा मैं वाहिद एक बंदा हूँगा जिसका एक्सपीरियंस इतना यूनिक होगा.
Acha. Wait, have you
Yeah.
told this to me?
I don't know. Basically, what happened? I live in Islamabad, right? तो मुझे
Yeah.
इंटरव्यू के लिए टेस्ट के लिए भी कराची आना पड़ा
Oh yeah,
and for the
yeah.
interview as well. तो I was in Quetta और जब इंटरव्यू के लिए कॉल आई and I was like traveling from Quetta to Karachi and it was like a night drive क्योंकि Quetta से Karachi is like I don't know 9, 10, 11 hours. तो
Yeah, yeah.
I was traveling by night and what happened was कि it was like a two-way road. तो रात के 3 बजे एक्सीडेंट हो गया रोड पे
Oh God.
and
Okay.
I woke up somewhere around 5 or 6 and I'm like why are we still here. So I go outside and I see this huge ass line of cars like trailed around सारी खड़ी हैं blocked.
Okay.
I
Oh my
have an
God.
interview at 11 and I'm stuck, I don't know, in a desert at either 6 or 7 a.m. I have to be in
Oh
Karachi
crap.
by 11.
Yikes.
So I like wait for a bit and then I'm like, okay, these cars are not moving like Sham tak. I was traveling alone for the first time, right? So I got
Yeah.
out, I started walking. I almost walked, I don't know, maybe point 0.5 or a kilometer before I found like 2, 3 other people who were like, we need to get to Karachi is time pay as well. So I was like, अच्छा.
Uh-huh.
तो वहाँ से we got into this highest and the guy was like, मैं आप लोगों को तो ऐसे तो नहीं लेके जा सकता, मेरी सवारियाँ पूरी करो. तो भाई हमने उसको जो है ना एक्स्ट्रा पैसे दिए लाइक जितनी सीट्स खाली थी उसकी भी दिए वो हमें लेके गया लसबेला तक ठीक है
Mm-hmm.
वहां पे जो है ना आई थिंक कि जो बंदा लसबेला में रहता है ना उसको जो है ना जहन्नुम की टेंशन नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Cute.
टेम्परेचर बराबर है थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे होगा
Allah.
लसबेला थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हॉट होगा.
Oh my God. Is that hot?
या तो एंड इट वाज इंटरव्यूज कब थे अगस्त में हो रहे थे ना
Yeah, yeah. August. Late August
अगस्त
के
इसी तो
अंदर.
लेट अगस्त था तो इमेजिन द हीट.
Oh my God.
तो अच्छा वहाँ से जो है ना गाड़ी चेंज की ऑन वे टू कराची रास्ते में जो है ना आई चेक द टाइम तो 11 से ऊपर हो गए. आई गॉट द कॉल
Oh
फ्रॉम द
God.
यूनिवर्सिटी एंड द असिस्टेंट वाज लाइक कि वेयर आर यू यू आर लेट. So I told her the whole story and she was like okay I'll reschedule your meeting for I don't know 4. So I was like
Like
okay
that day?
yeah. So
Oh, okay.
I reached around I don't know 2:30. अच्छा अब मेरा जो है ना सामान वगैरह भी पास नहीं है मेरे. तो I was like I need to
Uh-huh.
go get a shirt or something क्योंकि मैं शॉर्ट्स वगैरह पहने थे मैंने कि शॉर्ट्स के साथ तो अभी जा नहीं सकता. तो ये सारा हो रहा था तो there was this guy in accounting IBS वाले. तो I texted him telling him the whole deal क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ. तो bless the guy he like मेरी अपॉइंटमेंट उसने जो है ना मंडे की करा दी.
Oh wow. Sounds
So I
nice.
got like 2 or maybe 3 days to rest and then
And to
appear.
like prepare yourself, yeah.
Yeah, तो मैंने full on chilling की कराची में and I roamed around and stuff like that. अच्छा इंटरव्यू पे मैं पहुंचा and as soon as I enter तो all the 5 people who were there
Like,
they asked me
yeah.
they asked me are you the guy who is coming from Islamabad who got into an accident and I'm like
Wow.
Yes, that is
Yeah,
me.
that's me.
that is me. Full on चौड़ा हो गया मैं. तो उन्होंने मेरा नाम पूछने से पहले, मेरी अचीवमेंट्स पूछने से पहले उन्होंने मुझसे स्टोरी पूछी.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I told
So
them
like
the whole thing.
the ice was broken like right off the bat.
फुल ऑन. मैं तो फुल ऑन कंफी हो गया था, चेयर में रिलैक्स हो गया था. उनको स्टोरी दे
Full
वर लाइक.
पाव ऊपर करके बैठ गया,
हाँ,
full
मैं
scene
सिर्फ
on.
उनसे खाना, वो जो बिरयानी खा रहे थे वो सिर्फ मैंने उनसे नहीं मांगी, वरना वो भी थोड़ी देर में मांग लेते. तो आई टोल्ड देम द होल सीन. उसके बाद दे आस्क्ड मी, बाद में उन्होंने पूछा कि व्हाट डू यू टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ. और लाइक उस वक्त मैं काफी कंपोज हो गया था. तो आई वाज लाइक
Mhm.
वेरी चिल, आई वाज वेरी ब्रीफ. मैंने जो है ना अपनी हॉबीज बताई. आई टोल्ड देम अबाउट स्विमिंग और स्पोर्ट्स, एंड दे आस्क्ड मी इफ आई कुड सिंग. एंड
Oh.
मुझे उसी वक्त मेरे जहन में आ गया. आई लाइक thought about it for a while. मैंने 5 सेकंड का लाइक ब्रेक लिया. मैंने कहा if I tell them कि I can sing good, they'll ask me to sing. So what can
Oh.
I say to make them not ask me to sing? So I was like हाँ, लेकिन मैं बाथरूम में गाता हूँ. अच्छा 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 अच्छा, इसको नहीं बोलना है गाने का, इसको नहीं बोलना
Wow.
गाने का. तो
Wow.
इस वजह से आई एग्री विद यू ऑन योर वो जो तुमने बोला कि टेक लाइक 5 seconds or 10 seconds का ब्रेक to think about what you're going to say, at least so it makes
Yeah.
sense and you
Yeah,
don't regret it.
exactly. Yeah, because like honestly, the thing is, me and Surosh are like two very different people in this type of thing. Like he's very chill and like composed, but I am like the opposite of that. Like I can be composed, but like I just like overthink like a lot. So for my fellow overthinkers out there, don't like just don't, you
हाँ,
know, just like
overthinking
don't
overthinking
overthink.
drops to 0% after Delisha
I
says
swear to God.
don't think.
Yeah. Yeah, and also I feel like it also the thing is with me and I feel like everyone, if you're comfortable with something, like Aram Swatak, with you had like the whole accident thing, na? So I feel like I'm
Yeah,
instantly comfortable ho gaye the. And I'm
yeah,
not saying that made it easier for you, but like it's just like you know, एक already एक माहौल बन गया था.
yeah,
वहाँ पे the teachers and the panel in my textile का thingy, they weren't mean at all. They were completely fine. But they were very serious and they were like looking at me like मेरे दिल के धड़कनों के अंदर
yeah.
मुझे देख रहे थे और मेरी हवा निकल रही थी. And when someone does that, I just like get really like nervous. So the thing is कि don't be alarmed, just be very chill and keep your cool. Even if you're literally sweating bollocks and you're like you want to die and you want the ground to swallow you up, pretend that you're confident because I feel like they really admire confidence too.
हाँ, एक और चीज ये है कि आई फील लाइक जिस तरह मेरी वो स्टोरी थी, वो दे दे
Hmm.
लुकिंग फॉर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ योर पर्सनालिटी. एंड
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
if you're able to reflect your personality. अब एक और चीज ये है कि if they ask you about your favorite designer, if they ask you about your I don't know जो भी relevant है आपके field से and favorite, and you like मेरा favorite designer लुई विटॉन है. तो that doesn't reflect your personality. सही है. I mean it
Exactly. And
could
the thing is, yeah, exactly. The thing is, even if it does, even if Louis Vuitton, it's like, even if it's a common brand, but it represents your personality, you have to explain how you can't just be like, oh, I like Louis Vuitton and Balenciaga. You have to explain it. But also, one more very big step that I want to tell you, if they ask you about like who's your favorite like architect, designer, blah blah blah, it's very good if you say like a Pakistani artist. Because like this is the school in Pakistan and a lot of the activities that they do are very Desi and Pakistani based, you know? So it's just like you should really like if you have any Pakistani artists to like you admire, really talk about them a lot.
Yeah, I agree. ऐसे नहीं हो कि if you like कि वो उन्होंने पूछा कि आपका फेवरेट डिजाइनर कौन है, and you like Louis Vuitton, और रीजन पूछी and you like हाँ वो अब्बा मेरे गए थे दुबई 3 महीने पहले, वहां से जो है ना उन्होंने लुई विटॉन का बैग लाया था, तो उसके बाद से I'm like in love with Louis
In
Vuitton.
love with it.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that wouldn't like it would could reflect some part of your personality, but make it like genuine Pakistan से. और उसका जो है ना origin, it should be close to your heart, it should be close to your home,
Yeah.
ताकि वो
Yeah.
एक अच्छी personality, अच्छी एक सोचिए.
I feel like if it's close to home, you'll automatically be feel comfortable and you won't have to think about your answers. Because I feel like just be true to yourself and everything will just kind of work itself out.
Yeah. और
Yeah.
एक और चीज़ ये है that might help you a lot is doing a brief research on your field or your degree. That
Oh
could
yeah,
help
yeah,
you longer.
definitely.
That could definitely help you क्योंकि वो they'll ask you a question के why do you want to do it or what inspires you to do it and what do you know about it and what do you know के what like IVS उस डिग्री में या उस फील्ड में क्या आपको जो है ना अपॉर्चुनिटीज दे रहा है जिसकी वजह से यू
Yeah,
आर
they
इंटरेस्टेड
also
इन
might
IVS.
specifically ask you about why did you specifically choose IBS for this
या
degree too.
या
So
मेरा
yeah.
मैंने इसका बड़ा वियर्ड आंसर दिया था. मैंने उनको बोला था कि मैंने इस एक और यूनिवर्सिटी में भी अप्लाई किया है एंड इफ दे एक्सेप्ट मी तो आई चूज दैट बिकॉज वो इज क्लोजर टू माय होम इन इस्लामाबाद. तो व्हेन आई टोल्ड
Oh.
माय मॉम एंड शी वाज लाइक व्हाई डिड यू टेल देम दैट. You
But like
shouldn't.
your answer was reasonable though.
Yeah, I think honesty is always valued. Honesty is always appreciated. So
Yeah.
that could have been like a very positive thing for me.
Yeah, you don't have to be a kiss ass. You don't have to be like, oh, I love IVS. IVS is the
Yeah.
only option for me. I will always love this, and blah blah blah. Because they don't like that. They'll be like, hey, bhai, hat yahan se. Like, I don't want someone who's like kissing my ass and being a suck up, you know? So
Yeah.
just be true to yourself, talk concisely, be calm, and think about your answers. And when talking about, like, they ask you questions about, like, who's your favorite, blah, what so and so, really talk about local designers. And even if the thing is, कि if you don't have any local designers, it's completely okay. You can talk about Bahar ke designers too. But you have to be able to explain what you're saying. You can't just be like you can't just still be like who's your favorite designer. You'll be like Louis Vuitton. You can't just say that. You have to
Yeah.
explain why. And even if it's not from here, if you explain like the whole thing, they'll understand your personality and they'll try to like थोड़ा आपका idea मिलेगा. So it's completely okay. Just have a
Explain
backup for your answers. Yeah.
explanation like leads to reflection, and that would lead to आपकी personality invites closer to your heart.
Yeah, and also, if you can answer like IVS based questions, that could be very good. If they ask you about like IVS, why did you specifically choose IVS? So just be like, oh, I've heard it's a really good school, and like it's like I really like it because of the campus. Like, no, please don't say that. Just like look into their. आपको जब आप अपना envelope drop करने जाते हैं ना शुरू में, they give you a prospectus, and it's a. I mean, अभी तो online है, लेकिन it's a whole ass thing with सारे courses of all the degrees semester के अंदर क्या होगा पहला दूसरा तीसरा and they literally tell you everything. So if you can get your
Yeah.
hands on that and just look through that for your own degree, if and you can talk about the specific courses, that could be very impressive.
Just read the prospectus. उसमें सारी डिटेल
Yeah,
होंगी और अगर
yeah.
थोड़ी बहुत रिसर्च. अच्छा दिलीशा, जो हम लोग
Mm-hmm.
का एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट हुआ था, what did you like draw in that?
Oh, okay. So, okay, for people who just थोड़ा सा background दे देते हैं कि in the aptitude test there are like four different parts where like आपको कुछ देते हैं कि एक ऐसे लिखना था आपको किसी चीज के बारे में pictures पे base करके they give you like a shape and you have to basically use that shape to make and like to continue the drawing. ऐसे बहुत सारे different exercises थे, ठीक है? We had this one thing where there was like a triangle like a body figure wala thing and was it a hexagon at the end or
Yeah.
what?
It
It was
was
a
like
hexagon, right?
yeah.
Yeah, so ऐसे करके आते हैं. So for the triangle thingy, I didn't have time to like I had like 5 minutes left, so I just had to like make like the basic ass pyramids. But I made like camels साथ साथ में एक अच्छा सा डिजाइन बना दिया था इजिप्शियन कपड़ों का थोड़ा बहुत I did that थोड़ा सा कुछ तो एक यूनिक आ जाए उसके अंदर and then for
That's
the
kind of cool.
figure yeah, I don't know. I just thought it was so basic, but I didn't have time. Anyways, for the figure thingy, you're looking around to see कि सब लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. Like everyone
Mm-hmm.
does it. And I'm looking. Literally, everybody is making like kapde or like a fashion figure, and I don't want to be basic. Even though my like degree was textile and like fashion or like the textile department tha mera, like
Yeah.
I just wanted to be unique. So I basically what I did, I turned the page like horizontal, and I saw कि जो the figure horizontally looks like the barrel of a gun. So मैंने बेसिकली उसके ऊपर बहुत सिंपल सा जो गन का एक जो होल पकड़ने की जगह होती है मैंने वो बनाई. आगे से मैंने एक और कर्व बनाया ताकि होल नजर आ जाए, and it looked like a gun, and I added some contours, so it was just like I think it was different than what most people usually did. And then for the last one, I can't remember for the life of me what I did.
Holy shit. The gun idea is kind of cool. Actually cool.
Yeah, I guess so. What did you do?
वो जो फिगर और वो था ना उसमें मैंने what I did कि उस फिगर को मैंने कंप्लीट किया और उसके साथ जो है ना मैंने काइट का एक वो स्ट्रिंग अटैच करके उसको काइट बना दिया और उसके साथ जो है ना मैंने एक छोटी सी किड
Oh,
चाइल्ड बना दिया और बेंचेस रख दिए आइसक्रीम ट्रक बना दिया और लैम्प वगैरह एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट एंड आई मेड लाइक अ होल पार्क
oh,
with
so you
that
connected both of them. So like
yeah
दोनों को एक ही. Oh, that's smart. That's very
yeah
smart. I did
I,
not do that.
or the second one was like I looked around and everyone was making a sewing machine. वो बना रहे थे ज़्यादातर लोग and I was like oh so what I did was इतना मेरे पास time नहीं था and I wanted to make like a proper fully on astronaut.
Oh, that's cool.
तो
Wait,
मैंने
how did you
attempt
do
की
that?
वो यार उसमें जो कपड़ा रखा हुआ था it felt like
Uh-huh.
boxes ना
Yeah, yeah.
बॉक्सेस रखे हुए हैं अंदर वो तो आई फेल्ट लाइक कि जो बॉक्सेस थे उसको मैंने जो है ना वो एस्ट्रोनॉट का पीछे वाला ऑक्सीजन टैंक और सब कुछ नहीं होता जहाँ से जो है ना
Mm-hmm.
वो कनेक्टेड होती है पाइप्स
Yeah, yeah.
वो लगा दिया और नीचे जो है ना वो इट वाज लाइक लुकिंग डाउन
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, that's smart. That's very smart. Damn, Saroj.
या
Damn. Okay. Oh, well, I want to say one thing. For a portfolio, it's basically online wala aptitude test. Now, if they tell you what to draw, है ना?
they'll tell them what to draw वो अभी तक
Yeah,
डिसाइड नहीं है
so
वो स्पेसिफिकली उनको बता दिया जाएगा जो क्योंकि आई थिंक दिस इज हैपनिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर तो आई
exactly.
nobody really knows कि क्या होगा बट लाइक वी कैन गिव यू अ
Yeah.
जनरल आइडिया कि जो हम
Yeah.
लोग के एप्टीट्यूड में आया था एंड इट कुड बी अलोंग द लाइंस ऑफ दैट
Yeah, exactly. So the thing is, what I would just say is that a tip that I would say कि first of all, obviously, like try to like be unique, and like even if you're like doing something that like everyone is, you can add like your own unique touch to it. It doesn't have to be a completely new concept. You can basically modernize the cliche concept too if you want. Also, think outside of the box. Like you know how Sarosh connected both of the figures at the end instead of like making them separate. I feel like that's a very smart move. So don't. The thing with art is you're never restricted to anything. You can do whatever you want, you know.
yeah
And I feel like the more you explore, the more they're gonna see that you're not afraid to like like step out of the boundaries and like challenge yourself.
and
So it
adding to
says a
that
lot.
बट एडिंग टू दैट आई फील लाइक कि अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल के वो जो करेंगे वो ये करेंगे कि दे विल स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम मेकिंग इट लुक परफेक्ट do
Oh
not
yeah,
spend a
yeah.
lot of time making it look perfect like इसको आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स बनाओ उसको क्रिएटिव बनाओ बेशक उसमें ज़्यादा अच्छी शेडिंग ना हो बेशक आपकी ड्राइंग इतनी अच्छी ना हो बेशक आपकी जो है ना लैम्प की सिमेट्री वगैरह या किसी भी चीज़ की सिमेट्री आगे पीछे हो
Mm-hmm.
दैट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन जस्ट बी
Yeah,
क्रिएटिव अबाउट इट डू नॉट
yeah.
वरी
And
अबाउट
the
मेकिंग इट
concept
लुक
should be
परफेक्ट
clear. Yeah, just the concept should shine through. It doesn't have to be the most rendered piece
yeah
ever. It doesn't have to be amazing. But just if the concept bande ke damag mein samajh aa gaya na, then it's completely fine. Because you don't have to be the best artist. Because you heard Sarosh, he wasn't, he doesn't have an art background, but he
I
still
couldn't draw for
did
shit.
it. Exactly, so it doesn't have to be an amazing drawing. You just have to have really good ideas and concepts.
Yeah, and I think this wraps it up for this episode. I feel like
Yeah,
we've given all the knowledge that we have, and you guys need to know, okay, it's the knowledge from our perspective. It could be
yeah,
different for you. वो उनका reaction could be different for you and all, but these are the things you should keep in your mind before applying into IVS, and these are the things you should expect coming here.
yeah,
और कोई भी आपका क्वेश्चन है if you have a question if you need to know something else if you need to know something specific about departments or yeah we can like bring someone from your department that could come and talk about the department and its scope so if you have
yeah.
any question with that please feel free to
Please let
comment.
us know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
and
think.
also remember, sorry, also remember that the application process, like choosing it, is like very random. So if you don't get in, don't be so hard on yourself and don't think that like you're bad. Because like honestly, कोई बहुत लोग होते हैं जो पूरा साल पढ़ते हैं उनका नहीं होता. कुछ लोग होते हैं जिन्होंने बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ा उनका हो जाता है. So I just wanted to say, if you don't get in, which like I feel like you're all smart, you'll get in. But if you don't, it's just like don't be so hard on yourself. There's plenty of options in like, aage jaake, and like everything happens for a reason.
Delisha did a very good episode this time, or I feel like I should give her a round of applause for this.
What? What? Did I talk too much? I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's completely okay. No worries. I feel like the viewers will love your take on all the things.
Okay. Well, like then I guess this is goodbye then for now.
Yeah. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye bye.